agenda on the road to 2014 comes to you from the grand and royal city of Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh. Behind me, before I move on to our guests and what we're going to tackle today, let me just tell you about this fantastic location. This is Beja Tal. It is a historical site and it's one that's really identified with the city. It's about 200 years old, and this is where the people would be entertained by musicians. It's evening now, so only this part is lit up. Otherwise, you see it's like a natural amphitheatre, and that's where the people of the city would get together and talk about what's happening in their day. And of course, at this time, they're only talking about politics. Let me introduce our guests this evening who are going to help us understand the issues that concern Madhya Pradesh. After all, they go to polls very soon on the 25th. From the Congress, we have Jai Singh Kushwaha. From the BJP, we have Jai Singh Kushwaha. He is, of course, a senior leader of the party. And we have from the Congress, Ashok Singh. He's a member of the Congress committee. They'll help us understand the issues which concern people. Now, one of the things that actually, when you look at all the states, not just Madhya Pradesh, when you look at Rajasthan, when you look at Delhi, one thing that people are talking all about is how much is Narendra Modi affecting and impacting the elections. Narendra Modi was in this area just a short while ago. He was in Guna. And look at what he talked about. It was a mix of the local and the national. In fact, a lot of it, while he praised Shivraj Singh Chauhan, a lot of his motives were national. Now, does it work? Take a look at what he said and then take a look at how the Congress, Jyotiraditya Scindia, is countering him.
अगर मध्य प्रदेश में अच्छा काम हो रहा है, विकास हो रहा है, बिजली आ रही है, तो पैसे शिवराज जी के जेब से आ रहे हैं क्या? भाइयों बहनों, ये पैसे न तो मोदी के हैं, न तो शिवराज जी के हैं। ये पैसों के मालिक आप शहजादे आते हैं तो कहते हैं हमने मध्य प्रदेश को इतने रुपये दिए, इतने रुपये दिए, इतने रुपये दिए। ये रुपये है किसके भाई? जरा बताओ किसके रुपये? अरे रुपये जनता जनार्दन के हैं। इस देश की जनता उसके मालिक है।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी मध्य प्रदेश में नए चेहरे नहीं हैं। 98 का चुनाव भाजपा का मध्य प्रदेश में नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने संचालन किया था और भाजपा का सुपड़ा साफ हो गया था। जहाँ भी ये गए प्रचार करने के लिए, वहाँ भाजपा सरकार से निकल गई है, चाहे कर्नाटक हो, हिमाचल हो, उत्तराखंड हो। तो मैं तो मोदी जी को यहाँ स्वागत करता हूँ, क्योंकि वो एक शुभ संकेत है कांग्रेस के लिए।
So Jyotiraditya Scindia has referenced there to perhaps other states where Modi's magic didn't work. That's a place like Karnataka. Of course, in a way, Party President Rajnath Singh has said this is not a mandate, is not a vote about Narendra Modi, whether he works or not, whether they win or not. But it's really an interesting thing to talk about, and with our state leaders who will tell us whether it works or not. So I want to ask you, our first talking point, of course, is it local issues which matter in these elections, or is Moditva, Narendra Modi, a big part of it? That's the first talking point. So what do you think, sir? Mr. Kushwaha, do you think Narendra Modi is a factor, or is it just local issues?
Narendra Modi is also a factor. But my CM is a very popular CM in MP, and he's just like hero. Public like Shivraj Singh, he work in every field, like children, like students, like girls, like senior citizens.
Yeah.
So many work is done in
That's
10
true.
years.
What's interesting is if you look at the posters that are around the city, we don't see many Narendra Modi posters. We just see Shivraj Singh Chauhan by himself.
But Narendra Modi everywhere.
He's also everywhere. I heard people are talking about
Modi
him.
in every heart. I mean, Narendra Modi in every man.
What do you
every
think
person.
of what Jyotiraditya Scindia is saying, that wherever he goes, he loses and Congress wins?
Jyotiraditya Scindia is the MP in Guna and Shivpuri constituency. So next time, in 2008, we will win all 7 constituency seats in Vidhan Sabha. BJP. One is the only one seat of KP Singh. They will win.
Ashok Singh ji, you obviously don't agree, and we are asking you that question while the local temples are ringing. So it's a really nice atmosphere, but you don't believe that it's going to work.
No, Narendra Modi factor is not working in Madhya Pradesh.
It's not.
No.
What works?
It's work local problems and local factors.
Right.
That's the issues are corruption,
That's right.
roads,
Yeah.
electric shortage, and many and encroachment के नाम पे जो
You know, sir, you say that. I wanted to ask you. You're saying corruption matters, roads matter. These are local issues, and which is very fair because that's what we hear people talking about when they talk about elections. But they also say that Congress was in power before this. Congress was in power for such a long time. So don't you think that also works against?
no in that time the situation is not this like this, and the grant grant given to state government from the central government is so much higher
Yeah.
that cannot use in the public system or in the interest of public.
Okay.